Alright guys, I'm getting ready to go on a little fly fishing trip in town. But real quick, just wanted to intro the video that you're about to watch. A couple weeks ago, I went on probably the most expensive fishing trip that I've ever gone on. I learned a lot of lessons, always wear a PFD. Learned how to handle a kayak a little bit better, but I'll let you guys see for yourself. I lost like all my gear. Not my proudest moment, but thought you guys might want to see it. Holy crap, I just lost everything. Not now. Not now, God. Not now. Not now, God. Holy smokes, guys. I care about 0% of my stuff right now. All I care about is that I made it out of that. Holy smokes. I had a moment there where I thought all I can think about was my wife and my daughter trying to get the yak to break free and do that. That's my GoPro stuff and that. Well, and there is the top to the cooler. So all my GoPro gear, my rods, my tackle box, everything is pretty much gone, guys. Oh man, that's disappointing. Really, really terrifying. I think my anchor must have come out and gotten stuck there, so I have no idea. My phone's probably gone. Gashed my arm. Not really out of the woods yet here. I've got to find a way around. This is not steady at all. You can see this tree completely came crashing down. And it is not safe for me to be here right now at all. Can't tell, there's a tree right here. I'm gonna set my paddle down and maybe make my way down this other tree. Guys, I didn't even have a life jacket with me today. I don't think my latch was closed all the way. My guess is that my phone is lost, but I'm definitely out a couple rods. I'm actually glad my head didn't go under too, because I have my media mod on my GoPro. My anchor is actually snagged up, I think. Well, looky there. Wow, wow, wow. I can't believe I still have my phone. It might be ruined, but I almost just died, bro.
We were having two opposite times then, because I just caught like 5 fish in that one.
Are you serious? My phone's working. It's good. I replaced.
How much water can be in here?
I know. What a mess. Well, I mean, I learned a lesson for sure. A YouTube community that's just gonna support me and subscribe. And so as you can see, it ripped the back orange rod holder out. I lost my cooler, which had my tackle box and my GoPro stuff. My keys and my phone were in here still, which is great. Lost my seat. So I paddled up a ways. My cooler was sitting right about over here, and now I found my stuff up under there. Everything, my batteries are soaking wet. This stuff was like trapped up under the cooler even though the top was off. Oh my gosh, guys, not my best day. Not my best day, but I'm glad I found it. I doubt any of these batteries will work, but I don't know, I'm glad I found it at least. All right, guys, so if you enjoyed that video, make sure to check out part 2. I get my revenge on the river and miraculously find some of my stuff. So check it out. Thanks for watching. If you've been watching the channel for a while, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If that's something you'd like to do, and also leave a comment in the comment bar. That'd be super helpful for me. All right, hope you guys have a great day, and thanks for watching.